to Cashyew Data. In this video, we're going to cover how to buy records. First thing is to go to Data up here and go to Buy Records. This will take you to our data homepage. Here you're going to see a list of records, and we have two types of records. One is MCA data, one is premium data. Premium data tends to be leads, where MCA data is just basic merchant data that we've gone through a cleaning process through TCPA verification. We've gone through HLR lookup to check the connectivity of the phones, and then zero bounds to validate the emails. So you're getting really good data right here. So once you've decided what kind of list you want to buy and you decide what kind of quantity that you'd like to purchase, if you're not sure, you can always click on the eye icon. This will give you an example of the data set, what it looks like. You can click on the question mark icon, and this will tell you all the different fields that we are available for that list. You go ahead here and you put in the amount. So you can go in, if you make a mistake and put too many, you can go ahead and reset it. Anyway, here we're going to go 500. Click buy, confirm your order. And for first-time users, you're going to register an account here. We're going to maintain a suppression list, so if on future orders you don't buy duplications. Also, this site is intended for end users and not for data vendors, so we are screening people and approving accounts based upon if they're an end user or not. So once you've created your account, you're going to go here to checkout. If we have a coupon, you're going to put your coupon code in here, apply that, and it will take off the amount that's needed, and you're going to go ahead and place the order. Alright, so once the order's gone through here, you're going to go ahead and hit download my records, and this is going to take you to your account page where your records are stored. So in this case, you click on the eye icon to see your orders here. This was just the latest order. So you're going to go ahead and click here to download. You can choose between CSV and Excel. And then open up your Excel after it downloads, and then you'll have your records right there. It's a very quick, easy, and efficient way of buying data for the MCA industry.